Have you guys not seen Izzy's Game Time, Train Time, and Toy Time this week? Is it what you missed?
That is perfect!
Izzy's Toy Time! Is that thing? Oh no!
No!
Stop the jack! Stop the jack! Yeah! Don't know that that's how that works.
Hey, it's a game tree. You don't know? Buzz, it walks.
It got off. Oh, there it goes. It's actually working.
Where are you?
Hi,
baby. Hi. Well, let's see how people are doing.
Esther.
Are they? That does not look good. That does not look good. Remember, our mommy's wearing inmate clothes. Hey, so are you. Hi, sweetheart.
Guys, let's go die so we can be safe.
Well, all you have to do is stand there.
If you look to your left, it's a really big Minnie Mouse next to a food monster.
Well, I'll be the first to admit we have a stuffy problem, but
Oh my goodness.
these are just the ones in the bedroom.
Wow, man.
We've been collecting stuffy since birth.
Oh, I made it, babe. I made it.
Did
I
you
made
make
it.
it?
Yeah, I made
I'm
it.
coming.
Now I'm gonna build.
Oh, Bubba and I both fell
Are
out.
these bad guy spawners? Are these? Oh.
Did you not make us anything to fight with yet?
Guys, I have a pillow.
Worst island ever.
Wow, that was way stronger than I thought. Bubs, try to shoot the wall. It's crazy strong. Are you ready? One or two, come on and see what we've been working on. What do you think, friends?
Okay.
Okay, this is it. I'm gonna boop him for good. I'm gonna boop him for good. Where are they, babe? I'm going to. Oh, yeah.
Go in,
Okay.
get it.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
So silly.
there's just too many of them. There's literally too many.
Oh, you're coming up on the dinosaur. There you are.
Go for it. I see the track.
Go, Daddy, go. Oh, you've knocked over. Here it comes. Ah! You're stuck in the wall.
What was that?
You just got stuck in the wall. Oh, yep. Same thing happened to me.
This one has disqualified. Oh, no! Where are they going? Oh, no! Who's up against Percy?
Percy was little Percy controlling the back.
Oh, it's a battle of the Percys. Who's gonna win with a battle of the Percys?
There's this guy. You know what? Before I do anything, I'm gonna sneak and boop some of these spawners because enough is enough, guys.
Yeah, get rid of
Oh,
those
I see him.
things.
Oh, I'm scared. He's fast. Get away.
You're on fire. You're
Yeah.
on fire. I can see you from below. Oh, you didn't make it. We brought you more stickers. And we see that you have stickers too. We are going to take a sticker.
Ozzy, what are you doing there, buddy? Yes, and so what I will do is I'll go and wipe these down and price them and clean them, and I will put them out for my customers in the morning.
I'm right here.
Why is it spinning around? Oh, your lightning orb took me out. Bubba!
Oh, you're sitting.
Bubba, your lightning orb is not like Boo-boo! Bubba! So, Mega Dropper, I should be printing money right now. Print money, print. Someone's trying to get into my door.
Oh,
Someone's trying to get into mine. Boo-boo. Boo-boo, watch. He's gonna, come on. Try to get in. Go on. Hi.
No, he's not.
Hi. Hey, you wanna come in? You wanna come in? Say hi.
I got another big loader thing.
Also, what happened to my laser? Why did my laser? Let me see if I can click it. No. Look what I can do. Boo.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry, Bubba. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Buy outfit. Oh, I need that. That's for sure. Oh, 50.
I want an outfit.
So, I am now Wolverine.